ございます。今日はイベントがあるんで、チャリティーのイベントなんで、ショーン・ニーという人がピューリストという、あれあっちゃん何してるの？そうなの？なんで朝1時から？
かわいそうだった。
何がかわいそう？
フェラーリ
パパがかわいそう？
全然。フェラーリがかわいそう。
ああ、わかった。もしかしたらずっとこいつが中にあってフェラーリが外に出てたから。そうだよな、見てね。Z もかわいそうだよね。属車の街道レーサーもかわいそうだし、ゴードンの車フェラーリもかわいそう。ありがとね、洗ってくれて。こういうイベントもテキサスにもいっぱいあると思うよ。ね。でも、もうこのグループにはしばらく会えないんだよな。これになるとね、本当にちょっと寂しいんだよね。ピューリストというグループ、前からこうイベントに参加させてもらったりしていることがあるんで、ショーン・ニーはすごくいい人。ショーン・ニーはあっちゃんは知ってた？パパと全く同じ誕生日だよ。大きなサムズアップだね。ベンツに降りる人に。これベンツのワゴンが珍しいよね。あまり見ないよね。見せて。
最近いっぱい見るよ。
あ、そうなの？こういうワゴン。
でも E400 は聞いたことない。
ないね。かっこいい。で、まあでも今日はさ、のイベントは後でほら買ってきたものをちょっとみんなに見せないと。そこにあるのは何を買ってきたか。
ノートブック、
ノート、
ペン、はい、それぐらいです。
で、子供たちがさ、お金のない、ね、お金自分で買えない、子たちいっぱいいるので、勉強しないといけないので、そのためにみんなこういうのを買ってチャリティーとして寄付すると。それは車のコミュニティの一つの素晴らしいこと。これはピューリスト、ショーン・ニーさんがもうこういうのをよくやってるので素晴らしい人ですね。ね、あっちゃんね。で、今日いろんな友達にも呼んでるので、もうあとわずかしかない、もう会えないかもしれないからっていうことで、いろんな友達に呼んでます。誰に会えるのかな、今日は。みんなにちゃんと挨拶していかないとね、ちょっと寂しくなりますが、今日は楽しみだね。着いたね。着いた、すげえ。あ、すげえ、車が多い。すげえ。どんだけ車が集まるのかな、今日は。1000台ぐらいって言ってたぜ、ショーンさんね。わお。FC。おお。かっけえ。バンもすごいよ。ミニビッグバンがすごいよ。CRX スーバル、すごい車じゃん。うわ、かっけえ。いいね。あ、じゃあショーンさんだよ。この浜の中に。パーキングはアレンジしてくれるのかな。いいね。まあ特別に。Thanks, brother. Hey, hey. Rare bird right there, beautiful. I reckon that's a nice looking car, very nice. Love it. Woo! Little different than mine. かっけー。これはめっちゃいいよね。いいね。Thumbs up. What's up? I love that thing, man. That is so beautiful. You guys leaving already, huh?
Yeah, I can tell Gordon to come out.
He should be. I invited him.
All right, man.
All right, man. Put that AC on. Wow. Yeah,
Probably ran away when he saw the boy.
that's a good looking car. Saki ほど説明していたように、俺と全く同じ誕生日のショーン兄さん、ピューリストのトップの方なんで、すごくいい人なんで、今日のイベントの主催者です。Hey man, I want to thank you for all the years. You know, I'm about to go to Texas.
Oh.
And I'm leaving. I'm not leaving you, I'm not leaving the car community, but I am leaving Southern California.
Okay.
So when you invited me to come to this event, it was one of my last events that I could be at this time. I want to thank you for thinking about me. And I want to thank you for doing all the good stuff that you do for everybody here in this car community.
Thank you.
Maybe not everybody gets to tell you that. I want to tell you that because I think you're really one of the good people in this community who thinks about everybody.
Thank you, thank you.
And I like you for that. Thanks again for everything, man.
Thank you so much for
Well,
coming.
thank you. Great event. Guys, Purist Group. This is Sean Lee, a terrific guy. If you're in Southern California, check out some of his events.
Thank you.
Thumbs up.あーちゃん、宿題終わった？
まだ
まだ終わってない？
今休憩。
休憩だから何？エンジン聞きに来たの？自分の。いい休憩だね。これ一番ストレスの発散になるのかな？
一番だよ。
一番だよね。じゃあ聞かせてください。ストレス発散になった？なってる？もうちょっといい笑顔。はい、オッケ
いいストレス発散。
ー。いい発散。もっといいストレスの発散になることもあるよ。覚えてるかな？この間さ、ショーン・ニーのイベントに行った時があったんじゃない？この間。 その時はさ、ちょうど帰ろうとした時にめっちゃかっこいい NSX があったんじゃない？覚えてる？
覚えてるよ。
シニスタイ NSX ってアントニーというめっちゃいい人がね、リックの友達だよ。リックのね、尊敬ブルーのね、友達なんで、
みんな彼の友達。
彼ねそうなんでこっちに来るんだって今から。見る NSX 見たいよね。もっとストレスの発散になるぜ。いいねおー、わー、すげえ。じゃあ見てか。What's up, Anthony? How are you, man? Thumbs up, buddy. Nice to see you. Man, I love this car. あちゃん、めっちゃかっこいいよね、これ。
すごい綺麗だ
す
よ。
んごいかっこいい車。ちょっと乗せてもらえないかな。あちゃん、
やばいよ。
自分で勉強まだあるでしょこれから
ある。
パパちょっとドライブして
残念だけどやらないとダメな勉強がある。
I know you just got here and I'd hate to ask right off the bat, but since your car's already warmed up, we take a little ride in it?
Let's do it.
Hell yeah! ちょっと乗せてもらおうかな。What's up, Anthony? Thanks for the ride, man. Cool. Oh, look at the mats. Look at how old school this is. All JDM influenced, huh?
Right.
And look at that. Beautiful, man. Oh, can't wait. Let's go.
Let's go.
Man, is this car nice, Anthony? I cannot believe, I've seen this car now on Instagram. Me and you have communicated over the last year, a couple of years, a little bit back and forth. And pictures are nice sometimes. Sometimes pictures make something look nicer than they really are. Can I tell you something though? In this case, your car's nicer in person than it is in pictures.
Thank you very much.
And I don't think I could say that necessarily about a lot of, most of the time it's the opposite. This car is so nice, man, honestly. You think I'm right?
Thank you.
And how long have you owned this thing?
I've owned it for about 4 years now.
Wow, done quite a bit of work to it, huh?
It's had a lot of stuff done to it.
You don't gotta know much about cars to see that he's got a lot of love poured into this car. A little bit of money too, but a lot of love. Wow, this is beautiful. Now you said this is a 90, not
This is 2001.
2001, last year of the pop-ups.
Yes, sir.
That is so nice. Go over one lane there. We'll go straight up this road a little bit. Oh, it sounds good. It looks good. Oh, it's so firm. I drove an NSX only once before in my life. It was in Japan. You probably saw that episode if you watched the channel.
I did, yeah.
Thumbs up from everybody, huh?
You're more than welcome to try this one as well.
Oh, man, that would be so awesome. Oh, this car is so smooth, man. You got this car so well put together. Dialed in.
Yeah, I've been trying to work on the suspension here and there. I do canyon the car once in a while, so I definitely am working on the suspension here and there, trying to get it to handle as best as possible.
So why Honda for you? What was it about an NSX for you?
Just growing up in the street racing community.
Yep.
My car was an Acura Integra. I had a 94 built motor. Just trying to make it as fast as possible, and it just, when the NSX came out,
Yeah.
I was in high school, and it was just that was the car that
Fast and Furious?
we
is
all
that what-
loved it. Everybody loved that car, so
Yeah,
especially
nice.
Honda people. It's a Honda thing for sure.
That's awesome. So Honda's in your blood then, since you've been
For
young,
sure,
huh?
For sure, I've always had a Honda.
Do you drive a daily car? Not this?
I actually do have a Honda Accord. that
There
I
he
drive
is.
daily.
He's a Honda guy right there. That gave it away.
Yeah, I had a Type R, the new Type R. I've gone through a lot of Hondas in my day.
I bet. Let's hear this wind up a little bit. Oh, man, is that nice. Woo! Man, is that car just pulls so smooth, so nice, man. Wow. I love it. Thanks again for coming, man. I set you up with a couple of stickers for your car.
Thank you
In fact,
very
I can
much.
see where you're already test fitting one of them. Let's see. I kind of like the way that looks right there, my friend. That's pretty good. Nice.
So it matches the car great. Actually has a little bit of yellow to match my little.
There it is. Oh yeah, it'll all blend in. We got some yellow in that goes together nicely with all your yellow accents. Thanks again, bro.
Hey, thanks
Hope to
for
see
the
you
invite.
soon again. You're welcome
Glad
to
I was
Texas
able to-
anytime.
I'm glad I was able to come out and see you before you left to Texas.
I am honored that you did. Thank you.
California's definitely gonna miss you.
Oh man, I'm gonna miss California too, bro. Thanks.
All right, you take
All right,
care of
take it easy.
yourself.
Be good. Catch you later, bro. Thumbs up always. Take it easy.